Hi everyone, in this video I want to share with you one incredible tool that can upscale your stable diffusion artwork and even fix faces. And it is free to use. This is a project on Google Colab and it can do magic for your designs. It is called Real-ESRGAN and it can upscale any image and enhance it to insane results. And I have tested it on artworks with faces that have been generated with AI. And you know that the AI has still issues with faces. And I have been surprised how the Real-ESRGAN can fix or improve faces on most images. In the description of this video, I am putting the link to this Google Colab so you can test it. To run this collab, you need to be logged in to your Google account. Once you are logged in, you need to run all the operations needed. Just click the play icon in the preparation section. After it's done, you go click the play icon for the upload images and upload the image you want to upscale and improve by clicking the choose file button. In the next step, you should run the inference code block, but before you do that, if you want, you should change how much to upscale the image. Just change the value next to outscale command to a value you want. You can also disable the face enhance feature by deleting this part of the code. But this is optional. You can use the Real-ESRGAN model with the default settings. Now it is time to play with the inference block code and then run the visualization block. Sometimes you need to wait a bit longer to get the result, but in the end, your image should be hugely improved. As you can see, there is a huge difference in faces in these images. Finally, you should download the results by running this block, but if this doesn't work, just click on the file icon on the left side. Open the Real-ESRGAN folder and then open the results folder. This is a folder where your enhanced image is stored. As I already mentioned, using Real-ESRGAN is easy, straightforward, and can be used by anyone who needs to upscale and improve artwork made by AI and sell it on any print-on-demand marketplaces. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any question about AI art, stable diffusion or print on demand, you can use the comment section and I will try to reply to all of you.